Hey, I didn't wake you, did I? I could see that your light was still on, and I, I can't sleep, so. Is that okay? I don't, you look like I just woke you up. Okay, well, if you don't mind, I don't even know what's wrong with me tonight. This is cute. Is it new? Yeah. I've got one somewhere. I brought one with me when I moved in here, but I never unpacked it, I guess. Yeah. Except my salt rock lamp is like a moon shape, like a crescent moon. Yeah, I think they carved them into different um objects and shapes and stuff, but I got mine for Secret Santa one year. Yeah. I think it came from, you heard of the German market? Yeah, he said he got it me from there, so. But I like this one. This is like rough around the edges and rustic. I don't know, I like it. Are you sure it's okay for me to be in here? I feel so bad. Wait, really? I mean, uh, sure. I can get into bed with you. No, I don't mind at all. Like I said, I can see that you're tired and you probably just want to get back to sleep, huh? No, I know, but you can't help being sleepy. I won't be any bother. I'm probably just gonna yap at you for a little bit and then maybe I'll fall asleep as well. Yeah, I just, I don't know, I think it's just being alone. I just can't make my mind shut up and. Anyway, I'm yapping already. Let me just scoot in. Sorry. Oh my god, you kept this warm. Mm-hmm. Wait. Did you use my fabric softener? Oh my god, you actually did. No, it's fine. It's fine. I thought you said that fabric softener didn't do anything. Uh-huh. Maybe that's why you're so comfy and cozy and I think it is. Hi. God, you got the best room out of everyone. It doesn't face the road, so like you don't get all the road noise like I do, and I don't know, it's all tucked away in the back, and it's just comfy. Yeah, well, at least neither of us got the attic room. She said it's moldy up there. Yeah, but oh god, I don't want that weird landlord to come over again. Oh well. Yeah, I tried it. Honestly, I've tried everything. I put the rain sounds on. I had a shower before bed. I tried reading, but oh my god. You're gonna think I'm such a nerd. So I'm reading this book at the minute, and it's called Anne Boleyn and Elizabeth I. Because you know I like history and stuff, but I think I figured out that I can't read nonfiction before bed. No, it's like it turns my brain on, and I can't switch it back off afterwards. So yeah, yeah, you could say that. No, I do. There's just so much going on lately. Usually, like, I can handle it, I'm fine with it, but my brain just doesn't like everything right now. I think it's because finals are coming up and I'm studying really hard for that, and then work wants me to take on more shifts, and it's getting a lot, you know? And then there's stuff going on at home, and I'm just not looking forward to going back after the end of term, so. No, I mean, it's whatever. Everyone has their stuff to deal with, you know. I'm just struggling to sleep, and we both know how grumpy I get when I don't sleep. But I already feel so relaxed. I think it's the fabric softener. These sheets smell really good. They feel really good too. Did you change the cover? Oh, you went with my suggestion then. It's so good, isn't it? Well, thanks for not instantly rejecting me. No, I mean, I kind of knew that you'd be okay with me coming in, and I already feel better. Like, I feel safe with you. Does that make sense? Yeah. Well, actually, I was meant to tell you, I don't know if you've seen, but they're bringing out a new movie about Frankenstein. I guess Frankenstein's monster, whatever. It's got that guy in it from... I can never remember his name. No, He's like really good friends with Pedro Pascal. I know that probably doesn't help like at all, but was he in that series Moonrider, something like that? Yeah, I think that's it. So he's in it. I can't remember who else I saw was in it, but it's a pretty stacked cast. It looks really good, actually. No, actually, there were some aspects of Nosferatu that were actually really good. Okay, like on the whole, it's exactly what it says on the tin. Like, it's a gothic horror movie. Look, I'm a sucker for stuff like that. Okay, but this one looks really good. I feel like you'd enjoy it. Yeah, I was thinking maybe we could go together or something. Well, yeah. I mean, only if you wanted to. And look, listen, I've been meaning to talk to you about the other night. Yeah, like when we were all in the kitchen and I don't know, everyone was joking and I joked about me and you dating, and I don't know, things just felt a bit weird after that. Like, I didn't upset you or anything, did I? You sure? It was just so ridiculous. You know, like, it was so obviously, I was joking, because you wouldn't want to date me. No, I'm not even saying it in like a self-depreciating kind of way. I don't think anybody would want to date me. Like, I'm weird and nutty and like in a relationship, I'm crazy. No, like, I think I'm actually a psychopath. Like, I become so obsessed and clingy, and oh, it can be. It can be. I got dumped my last relationship because I was being too clingy, and he didn't like that, so yeah, I didn't tell you, because I don't know, why would I? It's not really something that you ever want to admit, that you've been dumped because you were too much. Oh, that's sweet, but you don't know what it's like to date me, so I think you're just saying that. Hey, I mean, if crazy, clingy, obsessed with you is your type, then I'm kind of perfect for you. No. Oh my god, no, it wasn't even anything like that. I wouldn't like stalk him or anything. It was just, it was because I didn't hear of him like all day, and usually, we text each other good morning, whatever, and he just didn't reply to me that day, and I got worried. And so I texted him a few more times. I called him. I called his friend, and he hadn't seen him. And then I turned up at his place, and he was there. And so was another girl. Studying is what they were doing. That's what he told me. But he just said things weren't working out, and that he wanted some space, and that I wasn't giving that to him. Yeah, go figure. So dodged a bullet, I think, because I don't know. I feel like it's normal, to worry and to care about someone that you think that you love. Thanks. I know it wasn't my fault. I just sucks, Anyway, but that's, that's what I was joking about. Like, you wouldn't want to date me. I'm so terrible. And you don't have to be nice to me. I don't want any pity or anything. Oh, that's really sweet, but a bit awkward. Because I'm in your bed right now, and you're saying that it wouldn't be the worst thing in the world to date me, so... Yeah, but I mean, wouldn't that complicate stuff? We live in the same house, and... I don't know, what if you decided that I was too much, and that you don't want me anymore? My room's literally right next to yours, and I have to see you every day. What are you doing? That feels nice. I know it wasn't my fault. I hate that you know me so well. I thought I really liked him, okay, and yeah, okay, I do still feel like it was my fault. Like maybe I was too much. Really? I guess that's true. We do message each other every day anyway. You've actually been, not to like feel like I'm friend zoning you by using the word friend, but you have, like, you've been the closest person to me, like, this entire year. It's been so much easier because I've had you in my life. All the late night chats, all the baking at midnight, all the shows that we've watched together, the trips to the movies. I look forward to every single one of those times, and I really like you. But it's just weird because we're roommates, and I don't want to mess anything up, but I might mess it up. do. I mean, I know that you like me. I mean, I'd hope that you like me. I didn't know that you liked me. How long is a long time? I mean, I can't say anything because I really liked you for a long time too. I could say the same thing to you. Why didn't you tell me? Not good enough for me. You. I don't think you realize, like, you've been everything to me. Did you not just hear what I said? Like, I don't think I would have got through this year without you. I really like you. Yeah. Wait. I just. I don't want anything to change. Well, I know some things will change. I mean, us. Okay, like, can we always, like, be this close, you know? Just everything. I just want to be close to you. Really. So close. Okay. Mhm. Mhm. Yeah, that was nice. I'm just. Yeah, I would feel like, am I dreaming? This kind of feels like that. I know I should be. I have to be up at 6. Yeah, I know. But now I kind of want to stay awake. Mm-mm. Yeah, I like that. Can be. I mean, I guess that would be like a first date, right? Yeah. No, that sounds good. Ooh. I know. I just feel so safe and cozy. Oh, I didn't know that love confessions could be so tiring. I don't. I look a mess right now. No. You think so? I think you're the first person to ever say that to me. No, I just mean usually people, you know, like I wear makeup and they're like, oh my god, you look so pretty. Most of the time when I'm not wearing makeup, people are like, oh, are you okay? You look ill. Like, thanks, guys. Thanks. You're really sweet. I don't know. I mean, I think I do love you, so maybe it doesn't have to be too early. But I don't know. I don't know. Is it okay to say that? Is it? I good then. We both feel the same. Like you just kissed me and told me you love me. I think it would be weird if I didn't seem shy. You think? Oh my god, stop it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sleepy. Yeah, I'd like that. Maybe we could spoon, if that's okay. Yeah, that's comfy. Mm. Oh, you're so good. Sometimes people are really rough when they stroke my hair. I mean, by some people, I mean my sisters. No one's really been this gentle with me. You're the best one. Thank you for always being so sweet to me. Like, even before tonight, even when I first met you, you're just so wonderful. Like, I just want to say thank you. Oh, you're welcome. Someone's gonna teach you about fabric softener. I'm so warm and comfy. I'm sorry if I fall asleep. No, your hand's fine now. It's nice, it's snuggly. Yeah. Good night. I love you too.